Hello, my lovely Aquarius. I welcome you all in my channel, in my video with whole heart and lots of love. Thank you so much for coming back in my video and please for liking my video and sharing and subscribing the video, okay, for the channel. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for commenting beautiful messages and let's see, Aquarius. This is your general love reading in the extended version. Let's see. I already done your main reading, and in the main reading that I already uploaded a video before this in which I already told you what are the energies for you today, Aquarius. You are guarding yourself, and once more I am going to I'm going to tell you once more what are the energies for today, because many of you have not seen that video, so I'm going to tell you once more time, okay? And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more messages, Aquarius. I will be very happy for helping you out. I hope I will help you out in some manner. Okay, Aquarius. So yes, today's reading is that you are guarding yourself. You're being defensive. You are protecting yourself. You're protecting your energy, Aquarius. And there is a three of cups and ace of swords, and there is an hierophant. So you getting your clarity, Aquarius. You are getting your clarity about this committed relationship or a marriage which you were in a relationship, okay? So you are getting a clarity that there is some third party situation going on, okay? You are getting your clarity basically about that situation, and that situation, that relationships involves marriage, because there is an hierophant, a marriage or a relationship which is a committed relationship, okay, same as marriage. So yes, Aquarius, you are taking energy of hermit. You are turning, this hermit is coming every day, and that's very nice, Aquarius, that you are seeking answers from within yourself. You are asking answers from your soul. You are looking answers from within your soul, that what my soul wants. You're seeking your answers from within. You're taking the energy of hermit. You want six of pentacles. You want equal amount of give and take in a relationship, okay? You want equal amount of give and take, and right now you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are taking care of yourself. You are healing your wounds, your body, your mind, your soul. You are taking rest. You are taking care of yourself, and you are rising as a star, Aquarius. You are coming in your reading. You are getting new hopes and desires in your life. You are moving ahead intuitively by two of swords. You are not looking by your eyes. You are guided by it. You are already guided by your intuitions, Aquarius, and you are moving ahead. You're protecting your energy. Can you see this girl is protecting herself by these swords? So you are protecting your energy, and that's why you are rising as an empress. Wow. Empress is an energy of mothering, nurturing, caring figure, okay, Aquarius? This is you, okay? Gender is not specific here. You can take gender as according to your situation, but there is some king of pentacles here, who is this is the person who you were dealing with, because there is an ace of swords and there is an king of pentacles here beside this ace of swords, okay? So yes, there was a person you were dealing with who is financially very strong or stable. This king of pentacles, for them only, they only, more focused, for them money is the only priority for them basically. So yes, they are having lots of options with the seven of cups. They see this king of pentacles were having many other options other than you get to know the truth. That's why you are walking away from a situation in search of nine of cups, wish fulfillment. You are walking away from this king of pentacles. You are leaving a situation behind, and once you leave the situation behind, you are completing a karmic cycle again. The world card is there, the some completion of a cycle. You are completing a cycle, and now you are manifesting with this magician. Again, you are coming in your reading. You are manifesting something. What you are manifesting? You are manifesting Ten of Cups, very beautiful energy, Aquarius, very beautiful thing you are manifesting. Happy family card, and then you are manifesting this, and this is the new person entry, Emperor. This is your divine counterpart, okay, Aquarius. Can you see there is Emperor and Empress too? So yes, this new person is your divine counterpart, your twin flame, your soulmate. This is the person which is made for you by the divine, okay. Now let's see these cards in and deeper meaning, okay. I will explain these cards on a deeper level of in a deeper meaning. Okay, today I'm a little bit nervous because there is a reason, okay. So let's see let's see what are the meaning. See, Six of Pentacles, it just fallen out, I was going to take the clarification of Ace of Swords. I was taking the clarification of Ace of Swords. You want to know the clarity whether this is going to get Six of Pentacles, equal amount of give and take, and you are getting your clarity. Let me see more. What is the meaning of Ace of Swords? Explain me the meaning of Ace of Swords. Okay. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, this is your past person, this is your soulmate, Six of Cups. The person from your past is rising, is coming your way. There were some deceptions, moons, lies. Can you see? There were something, Nine of Wands, Moon, and Seven of Swords. There was something which was hidden from you. Oh wow, you get your clarity. What is Ace of Swords? I was asking the clarity for Ace of Swords, okay, and I get that you get the clarity. Why you get the clarity? You get to know that there is some deception, and the bottom of the deck I was having deception again, Seven of Swords, deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulation. So again, this is a second confirmation from both decks, Seven of Swords and Seven of Swords. There were some deceptions, manipulations, cheatings going around. There were some secrets which were hidden from you, okay. You are rising as you, Nine of Wands is there. So Aquarius, you are getting your clarity that this relationship, this King of Pentacles is not good for you. You are getting your clarity, and then there is a new entry. The person is from your past, okay. Six of Cups, King of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. Can you see? This is the new person. Wow. And there is Three of Pentacles, the Star. Wow. Okay. See, this King of Cups is a person who matters emotions, who values emotions, who knows the meaning of emotions, okay. This person is coming your way to give you lots of emotion fulfillment, who knows the value of emotions, and this is your soulmate, Aquarius. They will give you equal amount of give and take. There will be a balance in the situation. Six of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles, both are there from both decks, okay. So yes, this is the new person, not a new person, a person from the past, but this is the person currently you are dealing with, or you will be going to meet soon. If it's not there, so it's going to enter in your life very soon, who will understand the emotions, who will value the emotions more. The priority will be the emotions, okay. So yes, you are getting your clarity that this King of Pentacles is not good for you. There are some deceptive behaviors, there are some manipulations going on, there is some lies, cheating, secrets hidden from you, and you are guarding yourself with Nine of Wands. Wow, Aquarius, wow. Okay, can you see the difference between these two persons? For one person the money is the priority, and for one person the emotions are the priority. So yes, who values emotions, and for one, this King of Pentacles values emotions, not emotions, money, sorry, materialistic things. What is the meaning of Star? Wow, World card, it just fell out. Again, World and World from both of the decks. World and World, Aquarius. from both. You're completing a karmic cycle. Yes, once you leave the karmic soulmate behind, okay, once you end the toxicity from your life, once you learn your soul lesson, basically, once you heal yourself, the soulmate arrives. Okay, so yes, you are completing a karmic cycle. That's where, let me see more. What is the star card? Explain me the meaning of star card. What is the meaning of star card? Wow. Oh my god. You will not believe it, Aquarius, what I got for you. I am very, very, very surprised. And you will too. See what I got. Emperor and Empress again. This is the star card means. That's what I was telling you. Once you put an end to the karmic soulmate, okay, then the twin flame, the divine counterpart, which is made for you by the divine, enters. And this is, wow, 3 major arcanas, world card, Emperor and Empress. That's your new hopes and desires. You are getting your new hopes and desires. You are completing a karmic cycle. In the both of the deck, I am getting the world card for you. 2 confirmations. 1111 was the recording reading time, and that's also a twin flame sign or number. Okay, Aquarius. So world card is there from both of the decks. And one more thing I'm going to tell you. Thank you so much, God. Thank you so much, universe. Thank you so much for giving this confirmation, for giving me these energies so that I can help you out in some manner, and I'm getting it for you. Can you see this? Empress and Emperor, both are there. Both are there, Aquarius, from both of the decks. Empress and Empress. Emperor and Empress, both are there from both the decks. I don't think that I need to explain any other thing. I don't need to explain any other thing. Wow. Give me 1 second. I'm too shocked for this thing. Actually, I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised, Aquarius. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. If you have not met yet, they are entering. They are soon entering in your life for sure. This is a confirmation. Yes, this is your divine counterpart. You are dealing with, currently dealing with, or they are not. If they are not right now in your life, they are coming. They are coming. Wow. Can you see? This is so beautiful, Aquarius. Star. What does the star card means? That you are completing a karmic cycle. And after this world card also, there was an Emperor too. Wow. Literally wow. Wow. Let me see more. What is the meaning of King of Pentacles? See, 5 of Cups. Okay, let me see. What is the meaning of, again, Hierophant and 3 of Pentacles. What is the meaning of, yeah, that's what, Ace of Swords and 9 of Pentacles. You're getting 7 of Wands. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having 7 of Wands, and that's your starting energy. You're defending yourself, you're guarding yourself. Can you see? This girl is holding hand and saying that no more toxicity, no more negative energies. This girl is protecting her energy. The wands, these wands are coming towards her, and she is protecting her energy, her aura. She is protecting, and the both cards are there. Yes. See what I'm getting. You were very sad in the past with the 5 of Cups. Either this is you or this is your person. Okay, this King of Pentacles is very sad, or this is you. You were more focusing on the fallen cups. Okay, but because that again, the Hierophant is there. That situation involves marriage for sure, Aquarius. 3 of Pentacles and 3 of Cups, both are there. There was some third party situation going on for you. Hierophant and Hierophant. Yes, there were some situation which involves marriage, or a relationship which is equal to marriage. You both were committed to each other. This King of Pentacles, with this King of Pentacles, you were in a committed relationship. Hierophant, both are there. So you are committed from a long period of time, and you are now getting aware of it, Aquarius. You are getting your clarity. Ace of Swords again. Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords is there. And can you see Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords from both of deck? Here also there is an Ace of Swords and Hierophant, and here also there is an Hierophant and Ace of Swords. And now you are single and abundant. You're getting your clarity that you are already abundant, single, happy in your own way, in your own terms. Yes, Aquarius, you are abundant in everything. If you don't know this, that I'm going to tell you, you are very powerful personalities, okay? You are the most powerful zodiac sign in all signs, okay, Aquarius? You should know your worth, okay? And now you're getting clarity that you are more happy and more single. Some of you are cutting this ties to this karmic cycle. You are cutting and putting an end to it, and you're getting your clarity. Wow. Wow. Let me see what is the World card means. Wow. High Priestess. Yes, you are guided by intuitions. You are intuitive person. 0505 was the recording reading time. So yes, Aquarius, you are born intuitives, okay? So divine is always there with you. You are blessed with lots of powerful things which God blessed you already, and you are moving ahead by your intuitions, okay? You are moving, you are listening to your intuitions. King of Wands. New passionate energy, new passionate creative energy, fiery energy is there. What is the World card means? Help me, explain me the meaning of World card. Maybe some of you are on the crossroads taking an decision. Some of you cannot sleep. 9 of Swords, sleepless nights. Again, there is a judgment. There is a Wheel of Fortune too. It's turning in your favor, Aquarius. It's turning in your favor, and these two cards are fallen out. Knight of Swords and Queen of Swords. Yes, some new passionate Aquarius. You are having something very beautiful, Aquarius, coming your way. You are moving ahead with the High Priestess by the intuitions, and you're getting your thing. You're getting King of Wands. New passionate beginning in love, okay? Someone is rushing towards you. Knight of Swords. They are rushing towards you, and the person who is rushing towards you is the Queen of Swords, okay? This is your new person who is rushing towards you. Queen of Swords. Gender is not specific here, but this is your divine counterpart who is rushing towards you, or you are rushing towards them, because this Queen of Swords knows the truth. Who knows the truth? This Queen of Swords love the truth. This Queen of Swords hate the lies, manipulation, deception, and this Queen of Swords will cut you immediately if she gets to know that there is some lies, cheating, manipulation going on. So yes, either you are rushing towards someone or someone is rushing towards you. What is the 10 of Cups? Explain me the meaning of 10 of Cups. Explain me the meaning of 10 of Cups. Wow. Wow, literally wow. 10 of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. Stable, solid offer. 10. Aquarius, what do you want more? What you want more? You have everything. You have everything. That's why you are blessed. Okay, that's why I always say you that you are a blessed Aquarius. You are always blessed with super things in your life. You deserve it. Ace of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. What else you want? Beautiful. A stable, solid commission. Stable, solid relationship is coming towards you. Oh, see. This was also there. Okay. New beginning. Sun card. Most happy card in the deck, the Sun card. New beginnings, Aquarius, new beginnings. I love it. I love your reading today. See, Six of Wands, you are successful. You're getting your victory. You are succeeded, Aquarius. And see what on bottom of the deck I'm having strength. You're keeping your strength with you. You are keeping your strength with you. You're getting succeeded. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Literally wow, Aquarius. Wow. Yeah, you're getting success, victory, recognitions, okay? You're getting success in whatever you are doing it, okay? Relationship, okay? So yes, the Sun card is there. Every major arcana is there in your reading. What you want? 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, both are there. Then there is Ace of Pentacles. Beautiful reading, wonderful reading, Aquarius. Wonderful, wonderful reading for you. I will show you like this. See how beautiful it is. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Sun card, and 6 of Wands. What else you want? What else you want? Wow. I love this card too. See how bright, beautiful it is. The sun. Light is coming your way. The new beginning is coming your way. Let me see. What is this Seven of Cups? I don't think that I need to explain you anything, but still I will explain you. I will explain you. What is the Seven of Cups? What is the Seven of Cups? Let me see. What is the meaning of Seven of Cups? Explain me the meaning of Seven of Cups. Two of Pentacles. See, juggling between two situations. Okay. What is the meaning of Seven of Cups? Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords. 1 minute. My card has fallen. 1 minute. Yeah, let's start. It was fallen out. What is the meaning of Seven of Cups? See, I don't think so that I need to explain you anything else now. King of Pentacles, for sure, is having lots of options. You're turning Hermit mode. You're taking bottom of the deck. I'm having the Hermit again. You are looking answers from within. You are taking the energy of Hermit. You are seeking your soul. You are searching your soul. You are searching your soul. Can you see? Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. This is the person who is having lots of options open, who is having lots of options other than you, my lovely Aquarius. And can you see here that I'm having King of Pentacles too from both of the decks? So yes, for sure, Aquarius, this is them. Your person is having lots of options. The past person which you were committed in a relationship, okay, for a long period of time, who the relationship was equal to marriage, or either you were married to this person was having lots of option. King of Pentacles. Two of Swords, Two of Swords. Okay, let me see. What is the meaning of Emperor? What is the meaning of Emperor? What is the meaning of Emperor? What? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I am having Two of Cups. Aquarius. What do you want? Want what you want. Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment, and there is a tower here too. Wow. I love today's reading, Aquarius. It's so positive and on the spot. Can you see what else I'm having? I will tell you. Lovers, this is your soulmate. This is your soulmate, your match, your divine counterpart. You're keeping your strength. There is a Three of Cups, but you're keeping your patience. And there is Queen of Cups too. And can you see there is King and Queen both are there. King of Cups, Queen of Cups, Emperor, Empress. There is a match, a divine counterpart. You both values emotions. For Aquarius and your divine counterpart, you both values emotions. Okay, there is a pair here coming in your reading, King of Cups and Queen of Cups, and this is your person from your past, which I did your reading for you. Wow, Aquarius. Wow, this is your soulmate. You are made for each other. You are made for each other. This is your divine counterpart, your soulmate, lovers has come for you. And see, wow, what a beautiful energy. Two of Cups. Again, a soulmate. This is the soulmate card. Wow. And you're getting your wish fulfilled. Nine of Cups. The Tower is there. Something is divine is intervening in your situation, and they are giving your twin flame, your soulmate in your life. Wow. I love today's reading. Literally, I love it. So Aquarius, this was your reading for today. Okay, I extended reading, so I hope it resonates with you. I hope I get you out. Once more, I'm going to tell you, if you have not listened yet, there is a pair for you, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Okay, there is an Emperor and Empress. Okay, Aquarius, and Emperor and Empress is coming in both of the decks. Okay, there is an Emperor and Empress from both of my decks. Okay, Emperor and Empress and an Emperor and Empress. So yes, you are going to meet your soulmate very soon if you have not met yet. Okay, so if they have not entered yet, so soon they are going to enter you in your life. They are entering, they are coming. They are coming, Aquarius, they are coming. And see, this is the confirmation of soulmate. These two cards belongs to soulmate, the Lovers and Two of Cups. This is your soulmate for sure, and you are completing a karmic cycle. World card from both the decks. So yes, congratulations, Aquarius, congratulations. There will be a equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles from both of the deck. Okay, you're getting new hopes and desires in life. This is again a confirmation, King of Pentacles from both of the deck. The person you were dealing with in the past, the person with whom you were committed from so long period of time. Hierophant and Hierophant. Can you see? This is the person which you were committed, okay, or you were married with. Okay, so yes, put an end to this if you have not put an end. Okay, but that's your life. I am no one, because this energy is not good. They were giving you Seven of Swords, moons, deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulation. Okay, so rest is your choice. That's your life, your decision. I'm not one to take it, but I can only suggest you, only give you things from my deck. Okay, there is beautiful energy. Sun card, Star card, Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. What else you want, Aquarius? Because you are manifesting it, and you have all the tools to manifest it. You are magical beings, my Aquarius. If you don't know this, if once and the person is coming from your past, you both know each other before. This is also a confirmation of soulmate. Six of Cups, where is it? Yeah, here is it. Six of Cups is also a card of soulmate. Okay, so yes, you both know each other for sure. They're giving you new passionate beginning. You both are giving each other new passionate beginning. Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords. You're getting your clarity. You're getting your clarity. Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords from both of the decks. Right now, some of you Aquarius are single, abundant, happy, enjoying your singlehood, but you're not going to be single for a long period of time, because your soulmate is entering your life. It's going to enter if it's not entered yet, but already some of you are having in soulmate in your life, the new person in your life. So this was your reading, Aquarius. I hope it resonated with you. Let's add some oracle for you from this animal spirit, and I'm closing this reading after this. And time for beginner's mind. So let's see, slow and steady wins the race. And I'm going to give you more messages, okay, in my bonus love reading. I'm going to make 1 or 2 videos in which I'm going to deliver all the bonus messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius, whatever I will get for you. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Wow. Rhino spirit, overcome any obstacle. Rhino spirit is the first message. Whole spirit, wolf spirit, turn knowledge into wisdom. Yes, you are very knowledgeable, Aquarius. You are having all the knowledge, okay? So turn your knowledge into wisdom. Sea horse spirit, watch and wait. Watch and wait, sea horse spirit. And Aquarius, next is very beautiful. Nightingale spirit, love is all around. Wow, love is all around. Even I can feel that feeling. It's very beautiful, Aquarius. Love is all around. Otter spirit, you are never alone. Yes, that's what I was telling you before too, that you are never alone, Aquarius. Divine is there, God is there, who is watching you, and they are going to bless you. Bat spirit, a rebirth is assured. Of course, some of you Aquarius are getting transformed into butterflies, okay, Aquarius? You're putting an end to a situation and you're rebirthing a new beginning in your life. Beautiful message. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay. Any other message? Dog spirit, be loyal to what you love. Dog spirit is there. Be loyal to what you love. Then there is a lion spirit, be generous of spirit. Beautiful, wonderful messages from animal spirits. Warp spirit, sometimes life stings. Yes, sometimes life give you bad things because they want to make you more strong. They want to make you understand some soul lessons. There are some lessons which we need to learn, and pain is the only way to learn these messages, okay? So it's good when life stings. Accept the challenge and move ahead, and you are moving ahead, Aquarius. Any other message? Any other message? Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? See, whale spirit, trust the great mystery. Trust the great mystery. Yes, trust the divine, Aquarius. They are having superb plans for everyone. 1 was the recording reading time again. So yeah, trust the universe, trust the great mystery. Okay, and these are the 2 last message. Porcupine spirit, time for beginner mind. Again, it's coming for you. Time for beginner mind. Horse spirit, freedom is yours. Freedom is yours. So these are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, Aquarius, I hope I give you all the details and more messages in my next video, which I'm going to upload after this, in which I'm going to tell you bonus messages for you, my beautiful magical beings. If you like my videos, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.